Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about Van Gogh syndrome is seen in schizophrenia. Van Gogh syndrome is actually the presence of schizophrenia in mental retard. There are two things. Schizophrenia with self-mutilating behavior. Schizophrenia with self-mutilating behavior is Van Gogh syndrome. Okay, schizophrenia with self-mutilating behavior is Van Gogh syndrome. If there is schizophrenia with the mental retardation, then we call it as FOF syndrome. If schizophrenia with mental retardation, it is called as FOF syndrome. Whereas schizophrenia with self-mutilating behavior, it is called as Van Gogh syndrome. Thank you and thank you for watching.